Hi, I'm Lindy, the affiliate marketer, and I have something very, very important to tell you. I've learned about AI. Although I'm new, I still know a lot what AI can do. And as an affiliate marketer and with a business, I found there's a live tomorrow, 30 September at 3 p.m. UK time and 10 a.m. Eastern time. And what it's all about? AI. How you can use 90% of AI to help you find leads and make sales. So this is why I'm telling you today. Wayne, my mentor, has been using this one traffic method since day one of his business. The same method now generated over 15 million in sales for him. But here's the wild part. In just one single afternoon, he brought in $140,000. Crazy, would you say? Now tomorrow, as I said, 30 September, 3 p.m. UK time, 10 a.m. Eastern time, he's going live and he will reveal his secret. So if you want to have leads and make sales, be there tomorrow. You'll discover the exact traffic source he used and how you can automate the entire thing step by step. This is hands-on, no fluff. If you want the link, just look in the comments below and I'll see you in the live tomorrow.